love me a nice bob that looks like this. This is definitely giving me like early 2000s. Wow, this has got to be like one of my quickest installs ever, because we're going to get into it. Before we even jump into today's video, I just want to say thank you for tuning in to today's video, because you did not have to click on today's video. So because you clicked on today's video, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting your girl. get into it, I want to give a big shout out to Ywigs for sponsoring today's look. I am wearing their bob lace frontal wig, which I'll have more information in the description bar. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the review and talk about it, sis. Here we are. This is the look. This has to be like one of the most quickest installs I've done like in a very, very long time, and an install that didn't require a whole lot of work. Like, this is crazy. All right, so let's jump into it. So I don't have any of the details in front of me. So this is a lace closure wig, which I'm sure played a huge part in this being a very quick wig install. Now this wig texture does have some body to it, or some texture to it, as you guys saw earlier in the video before I straightened this hair, which definitely helped with giving this more fuller look, which I love. When it comes to this type of length on a bob, I prefer for my hair texture to be on the fuller side. Now honestly, I was gonna go in and put some curls in this hair, but I like this look a lot better. I love me a nice bob that looks like this. So it's really not going to be a whole lot to really say about this wig, because like I said, this was a very quick wig install. I'm definitely loving the texture. I think this is just a regular lace closure wig. I really didn't notice anything, you know, special about this type of lace. Definitely is a really quick install that just doesn't require a whole lot of skills. Very hard. It's hard to make a mistake with these type of wigs, because number one, you don't have a lot of lace to play around with. The hairline is not too thick, so you don't have to worry about over plucking a hairline, and because you don't get a lot of lace, you don't have to worry about trying to secure the wig down from ear to ear. So I really do like that. Now with these lace closure wigs, I think they're perfect for people who like just a simple part. Yeah, I always think these looks are just really good towards beginners, because it just offers a more natural look that doesn't require a whole lot of skills, where you can do this type of stuff at home. So just keep that in mind when you are trying to figure out which wig is going to be beginner friendly for you, or which wig is going to work with your lifestyle. Much giving me natural hair vibes, very much giving me that's your hair girl, very much giving me, ooh, you just pressed your hair out and it is so pretty, girl. Yes, it is giving me all of that. It is giving me all of what I need. So that does it for today's video. Again, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, because you didn't have to do that. You didn't have to do that at all. So I really do appreciate that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.